Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we will be making garlic chicken. Yes, I am back with another quick and easy recipe, guys, that's going to blow your taste buds away. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by slicing our veggies into squares. So for today's recipe, I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and what I am going to do is remove the excess fat and cut them into small bite pieces. Hey guys, here is my chicken. This is how small I had cut them. So now what I'm going to do now is season my chicken. I am going to use some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, some adobo seasoning. Now give it a mix. Add your cornstarch. And give it a mix. This is how my chicken is looking, nice and sticky. This is exactly what you're looking for. Over medium-high heat, we're going to add some oil to a large skillet. After our oil is nice and hot, we are going to add our chicken. And we're going to cook them for about 7 to 8 minutes. After 4 minutes, go ahead and flip your chicken. After 8 minutes, we are going to remove our chicken and cook the next batch. While our chicken is cooking, we are going to make our sauce. So I have a cup of water in here and half of Maggi cube, but you can also use chicken broth for this. So I am just going to mix that in, and I had put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. To our chicken broth, we are going to add some rice vinegar, sesame oil, sriracha sauce, dark soy sauce, some brown sugar. Go ahead and give that a mix. After the brown sugar has dissolved, go in with your cornstarch. So this is how my sauce is looking. This looks great. Now go ahead and set this aside, and we'll go ahead and start cooking our veggies. Okay, after removing our chicken over medium heat, we are going to add our bell peppers, and we're going to saute them for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, this is how our veggies are looking. So go in with your garlic and ginger. We're going to cook this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, go in with your sauce. And we're just going to allow this to thicken before adding in our chicken. Now that our sauce is thickened, go in with your chicken. After getting our meat nice and coated with the sauce, go in with your green onions. And at this point, you can go ahead and turn off the heat. Give that a mix. Oh, this looks so good. Guys, my garlic chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? My mouth is watering, so I know yours is too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.